In this video, you will learn about some common daily use action verbs and activities. Drive. She drives a taxi for a living. Clap. They clap their hands in applause. Dig. The dog is digging a hole in the yard. Hug. They hug each other when they meet. Jog. He jogs in the park every morning. Push. They push the car when it breaks down. Pull. He pulls the door to open it. Crawl. The baby is learning to crawl. Kick. He kicks the soccer ball into the net. Juggle. He can juggle 3 balls at once. Teach. She teaches English at the local school. Bounce. They are bouncing on trampoline together. Whisper. She whispers a secret to her friend. Plant. He plants flowers in the garden. Hike. We hike up the mountain trail. Skate. He skates the skateboard every day. Surf. I love surfing in the summer vacation. Swing. Nabil loves to swing in the park. Yawn. She yawned when she get up in the morning. Raise. The students raise their hands in the classroom. Take. He is taking shower in the washroom. Hope that's helpful. If you want any further action verbs, let's know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more.